I think I got my first cookbook at the age of 4. Cooking has been in my blood for a very long time. I am Chef Mel and I'm the very proud owner of Vanilla Zulu Culinary Adventures, which is based in Tenerife in beautiful Brisbane. I think most people, when they think about a cooking class, their first thing is they get terribly intimidated. So everyone loves to eat, and learning how to cook, at least they get to take something home with them and share with their friends and family, so we send the happiness home with them as well. So I think one of the major challenges is obviously the ebbs and flows of business. I think with 8 years of business behind me, I've tracked obviously when those quiet periods are. I think the best advice I could give to someone who's thinking, oh, should I grow or should I stay, is definitely do a business plan. It's a big amount of work to move a premises or to grow, so you've got to be really enthusiastic about it before you start off. But I've also got my product range where I've got my own designer spices. So that's something that I would like to promote, is have that extra leg of income for when it is quiet, have that foodie product, supporting the business as well. Food is always changing. You can never know everything about food, and it's really important just to give that little bit of everyday excitement to your family meals.